My name is Sherry. I work at a Rom charging hub. We are located at Lusaka Road. Mainly, we deal with charging of batteries and renting them out. Renting is when a driver or a rider comes to our station and we have to rent him out one battery. That is if his is low and he needs charging, so we rent it out to him for a certain period. Hourly, we charge 10 shillings, 1.5 shillings per percentage. So renting helps a lot, especially if you have like a long trip or a long distance you need to cover and your battery is low. We give you hours and it can take you far, even outside Nairobi County. So it actually helps a lot. And the rent anxiety shouldn't be a problem at the moment.